Hello everybody, I'm Rostrich, and today I'll be showing you how to hack your account with Castle Crashers Steam Edition. This is the 3.0 version of the game, aka DLC support. Here I have my cheat engine here. All of these are broken values, meaning that they're not going to work if I'm trying them in game right now, but I have them listed here. These are the things that we're going to be finding to hack or edit or save. So I'm going to delete all these. Now make sure you're into Castle Crashers. Alright. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in Fresh or Classic. I'm going to be using Fresh in this case. As you can see, all my characters are level 99, which is basically what we're going to be doing today. Boom. Reset. And first things first, we're going to grab the character value. How we do this is get Green Knight, make sure it's 4 byte, put 1 in there. We're going to do Red Knight, put 2 in there. We're going to filter this out again, put 3. We're going to filter this out one more time. Okay, it doesn't matter. Never mind. We didn't need to do that. So, grab Green Knight. Doesn't matter. We're going to start with Green Knight. Now we are in the level. Before we decide which one's which, we're actually going to delete these because our character ID is not 249, so, or whatever the other one was. Now before we grab the character, we're actually going to grab the level ID first. Now we're just going to put 2 in this. We're going to scan for 2, and we're just going to leave it at 2 for now. We're going to let this cutscene play out. Okay, now we're just going to enter in here. Now, the cutscene right now is going to do its thing. We're going to put 13 in here now, next scan. We have 10, but it's going to filter out in just a moment. So obviously we aren't level 34, so we can delete this as well. So we're going to figure out which one it is. I think it's this one. So I'm going to plop this one, enter in a level, and yes, it was. This is the character. Now, all the other ones we can delete. They're useless. Now, we're actually going to put 2 in here now. And then we're going to go up into here. And then, as you can see, these are both 13. If we exit the map, you can see this one is 101, and this is still 13. So this is the level when you're in it. And then this is the node. Now these two, they're very linked together in code. I mean, they're different. This is the root level while you're in it, and this is just the node. Right now we're going to start in this menu right here. This is probably one of the most important menus for modding our characters so far. So I'm going to start with the XP, because that's where we start. Put 0, and then scan for 0. Now we're going to enter in here, and then we're going to attack some of these barbarians. We don't want to attack them much, just get a few hits on them, exit the map, and then go back into the menu here, and as you can see, we now have 6 XP, which we want to now scan. And now we drop from billions to only 652, so we're going to filter out a few more times, just to make sure we get the right one, and we don't have to scan. Well, no, so we don't have to find them through that list. Alright, 12. Next scan. Now we have 3, basically 2. This is not going to be it. We're not going to have this. It's either this one, which I think is the top one. Did not. Okay, it was. Did not mean to enter in this level, but yes, this is the XP. This one is not necessarily XP. We can delete that. That might be the XP in the level. Now, very important, you're going to want to lock this. You can do it by pressing space, but you want it to be locked, so you don't want it to increase or decrease. Basically, it just keeps the value the same. Now we're going to get the level, like your character's XP level, which is right now it's 1, so we're going to scan for 1. And since we have since our bar is at max and we have it locked, we can hit an enemy and instantly level up. Now that we're instantly leveled up, we want to go back into here, and we're going to want to put 2. Now we're going to filter this out maybe once or twice. So yep, just hit hit them once, preferably once. You can do it more than once, but this is the best method. So 3. Now this is we can find it from here. Now it might be this one. I think so. Yes, it is this one. So this is the XP level. These don't matter. Now we're actually going to find the XP points, which is pretty easy. We're going to find 4. New scan. We're going to go into here. Now we have 3. And then we're going to... Then we have 2. Which would be this one. And then if we set this like 99... we have 99 of these. Now that we got these main things, we can set this at 0 so we don't have the annoying little thing. Now we're gonna get gold. You go up in here, you want to put 0 in here, scan for 0. And we're gonna go in here, we're gonna grab 3 gold. As you can see, we have 3 gold. Put 3. And we're gonna do that one more time. Alright, as you can see, we got 6. Now, it's one of these. I think it's this one. No. Okay, so it's the one I picked last, of course. This right here is the gold. These can be set to whatever they were. So it's best if you're trying to find a value and it's not necessarily the right one. It's best to set these back to what they were because you don't want it to crash unexpectedly sometimes, which it does. And we're gonna fill out this bar. Alright, I'm gonna put you at 0 now. Boom, now we got full thing. We're gonna go to level 41 first, which is desert, and we're gonna grab you. Then we're gonna go back into here. Then we're gonna go into the blacksmith. Just enter here, leave, and now we have it unlocked. So grab this guy while you're at it. Now we're gonna find the weapon. This value only works in here, so you gotta find it and then change it to whatever you want and then leave. And it will be broken. So we're gonna find it right now. We're gonna scan for 3 because our ID is now 3. We're gonna go here 25, and then we're gonna hover over 3, and whatever one's still 25 is our weapon. Now I'm gonna change it to 72, which is man catcher. We go into here. As you can see, we have no pets except this whale. Now we kind of want to change that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to level 4, which is Thieves Forest. We're gonna enter here. We're gonna let this play out. We're gonna grab the bow while we're here. We're gonna leave. Grab this pet. I'm gonna exit the map. The blacksmith. We're gonna scan for 2. Next scan. Next scan. And run all the way over here. Grab you. And we're going to go all the way out here. And then 29. Next scan. And this right here is whatever our animal orb is. So I'm changing this to 1. I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to walk in. And it's not it. Put you in here. Alright, here we got the pet. Now we're going to want it to be cardinal, and we're going to want to leave. We're actually going to want to go here. Change you to 4 again. We're going to enter here. We're going to kill you. Go all the way up in this corner. Grab the boomerang. And we exit to map. Level 5, which is a shop. And then we're going to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Whoa. New scan, first scan. Alright, we're gonna start from 2. 3, next scan. 4. Next scan. Top one. I think it's the top one. In this case, we're gonna give it the integer limit, which we're gonna see which is, well, there's a 7 at the end, but this works. We're gonna see, should be that. Nope, so it is the bottom one. It's always gonna be the bottom one then. So now we have integer limit of those. We're gonna grab U. We have 1. Grab another one. We got 2. Grab a third one. Now we have 3. Bottom one. We're gonna copy this. And plop that right there. And then now we have max of those. We're going to do the same thing for sandwiches. So we're going to go to Volcano Store. And we're going to do the same thing. Now these values, they break. So they're not going to be like static or anything. 1. Oh, we don't have any money. Did our gold break? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so we just needed to grab some. So we're gonna go over here. There we go. We're gonna do this with XP while we're at it as well. Might as well. And I'm actually gonna try it on the XP level. It's probably not gonna work. Okay, it did work. She's gonna be cursed, which is kind of cursed. It definitely doesn't save like this. It'd be kind of cool if it does. 18. I don't remember. Alright, you know what? You're good. You'll work. Now we're gonna go over in here. Grab a sandwich. Scan for it. Scan for a second sandwich. Or scan for a third sandwich. And then bottom one, we're just gonna grab this number, paste it in there. And yeah, now we've got plenty of items. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna basically photocopy all of our stats right now to every single character. How we're gonna do that is we're gonna go to here, we're gonna create hockey. We're gonna up arrow, increase by 1, apply. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set you to 1. And we're gonna leave. Now we're Green Knight, and look at all of our stuff just photocopied basically to it. So we're gonna press the up arrow, leave. Press the up arrow, leave. And then now we're just cycling through. So we're unlocking all the characters by doing this as well. So you can do this for your 10 slots as well, which will be kind of cool. It's also a way to get Alien a different weapon. So I'm pretty sure the new DLC might actually have it save. Yeah, once you get past Haddington, you get our Paint Junior, you start getting to your custom characters. Now I don't have any right now, so they're just blank stats. So once you like grab your character, should have stats. Alright. And then if we exit, and then we go to main menu. First I'm actually going to take a screenshot of this. And then we go to character select. As you can see, we have modified our save data for every character too. It's 209. If you close the game and reopen the game, it should go back to 99. If not, then I don't know, good for you. But yeah, so that's basically it. Now they're not gold skulls, and the map is not unlocked. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to unlock the map and stuff fairly easy through a different method. But yeah, this is just through values. Now, when you close the game, these will not work anymore next time you open it because they're addresses that are not pointers. The reason why they're not pointers is because getting pointers in Castle Crashers is very difficult because all of the addresses have the same offset in the memory region, which you might not understand what that means quite yet, but it means that everything combines together into one offset. So usually if you want to make a script where you have an AOB injection and it outputs your address from the offset, it doesn't work like that because too many things have the same offset. Well, anyways, thank you for watching this video. If it helped you and you enjoy your modded account, then subscribe or like the video at least. If you have any questions, just comment and I'll try and reply the best I can. Alright, thanks for watching.